The National Weather Service in Michigan has issued a flash flood advisory for the following counties/areas: Detroit, until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar estimated 2 to 3 inches of rainfall over the past 4 hours. Showers and storms will produce with an additional 2 inches of rain in the next 3 hours. Locations in the advisory include, but are not limited to, Detroit, Michigan. Be prepared. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Never drive your car into a part of the road that is covered in water. Flood waters are usually deeper than they appear. Just 1 foot of flowing water can sweep away vehicles. Make the smart choice. Turn around. Don't drown. Repeating, a flash flood advisory is in effect until 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties/areas: Detroit. Stay tuned to this channel for additional information on the advisory. Please report flash flooding to the National Weather Service.